Today I will show you how to delete accounts in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. I know that's ironic. You need to log into the Gmail account that you want to delete. Now, once you're logged in, I want you to go to this icon that displays your initials. When you go there, you click that and you click on Manage Google Account. Now here you're going to click on Data and Privacy. Under Data and Privacy, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page till you find Delete your Google account. And once you click on that, it's going to delete your entire account and data. But before it does that, it's going to ask you to verify if you're the owner of the account, and you're going to go through the verification process. And once you're done, it's going to delete your Google account. Please note that your Google account will be inactive once deleted, and you can only reactivate it to access your inbox. And that's how you delete your account in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.